Installation of easy cording device. These are the accessories we need. The first step is to remove this thread clip. This is what we just removed. This is the new one. There are some differences between them. Then install this new clip. Adjust this clip to flush with the presser foot. Then pull the thread clip. Press the needle 1 and 12. Check whether the presser foot touches the clip. Turn here to test whether the knife can go smoothly. Tighten the screws. Remove these screws. This is the presser foot we removed. Here is curved. This is the new presser foot, which is flat. Next, install the presser foot of needle 2. This is the one we removed. This is the new one. The new needle bar is threaded, but this old one doesn't. Tighten the screw. Take the spring off the old needle bar. Pass the small hole inward through the new one. Put the upper fixing screw in. Then the lower fixing screw. The screw should be 35 degrees to the left. Then we install the needle. The side with groove should face towards you. Then tighten the screw. Loosen these two screws. Adjust the needle clip face to yourself. Then hold the upper fixing screw. Install needle 2. Push the needle to the end. Then tighten the screw. Next, adjust the depth of needle 1 and 2. Open the needle plate. Manually change to needle 2. Then press this wheel and turn it to 200 degree. Press the needle bar down. Loosen the lower fixing screw. The depth is okay when you can see a half needle hole. Then tighten the lower fixing screw. Lift the needle bar up. Then turn the wheel to 0. Tighten the upper fixing screw. Next, we adjust the needle 1. Turn the wheel to 100. Push the lower fixing screw up. Hold it gently. Then manually switch to needle 1. Turn the wheel to 202. Then adjust the depth of needle 1. The method is same as the needle 2. Turn to 0. Tighten the upper fixing screw. Turn to 100 degrees. Install the needle plate. Next, adjust the height of presser foot 2. Switch to the needle 2. Turn to 178 degrees. Press this number to needle bar down. Loosen this screw. The distance between presser foot and needle plate is about 1.2 millimeter. Then tighten the screw. Turn to 100 degrees. Push the number 1 needle bar up. Switch to needle 1. Then put everything back in.